Hey guys, it's your girl Jenny on Blocks, and today we are going to be checking out the new circus update. Yay! Who's excited about this update? I just love the new monkeys. Comment below what your favorite monkey is that you hope to get or have, and make sure you like and subscribe to this video so I can make more for you guys. We are going to be going to the circus update and opening 10 boxes today, and I'm going to give one away to some lucky person. So let's go see what we can get and see what's in the boxes. I personally really like the albino monkeys. I think they're so cute, so let's hope that we get some of those today. Let's buy a few boxes. And I know I have a few boxes, so let's open up 10 boxes and see which kind of monkeys we get and what we can make with what we get. Okay, let's see. We have here a toy monkey, a monkey king. That's cute. It's like a golden monkey. And, oh, the ninja monkey. I like the ninja monkey too. And the business monkey. So let's open up our first box and see what we get, guys. Oh, we got 2 monkey propellers and a regular monkey. And look how cute these monkeys are. They just lay in your arms. They're so sweet. Aww. Alright, let's go and open up some more boxes here. This will be our second box. Let's see what we get. Oh, we got a clown umbrella and a hypnotic frisbee. Oh, that's pretty cool. And another regular monkey. This will be our third box. Let's see what we get. A monkey. We got a monkey pogo and a monkey propeller and a regular monkey. This is our third box, I think. Let's see. Oh, no, fourth box. And, oh, we got a briefcase finally, and that is for the business monkey. Yes. Let's see if we can get some more briefcases. I'm really hoping for an albino monkey. Let's see. Oh, we got another briefcase. We only need one more, guys, to make the business monkey. And we got another hypnotic frisbee. Come on, albino monkey. This is box number 6. Oh, we got a symbol. And that makes the toy monkey. And a clown umbrella. I think I'm going to give some of these monkeys away, too, because this is an awful lot of regular monkeys we'll have. Although they are adorable, maybe we should just go and give some of them away to people. Alright, let's open up 2 clown unicycles and a regular monkey. Am I going to get the albino monkey, guys? Here comes number 7. Another briefcase so we can make the business monkey and a staff. So that goes to the monkey king. We would need 2 more of those to make another one. Let's see. Let's go make a business monkey and see what he looks like, guys. I am a business monkey, master of economics. For 3 briefcases, I will teach you, monkey, the finer details of business. I'm going to have a business monkey. I suppose this will do, but be quick about it. I'm a business monkey. Oh, he's in a hurry, guys. We better hurry up and make this monkey. Yes, we do. Oh, look. Oh, he's got his tie around his head. He must have had a hard day. Look at him. He's so cute with his little briefcase and his suit. Oh, that's so cute. All right, let's continue opening some of these boxes. This will be number 7, maybe? Let's open it. A regular monkey and 2 clown umbrellas. Guys, I don't know if we're going to get enough to make another monkey. Let's buy 4 more of these boxes. And we're going to open them up and give one of them away. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, remember, I got another symbol. We only need one more symbol to get the toy monkey and a clown unicycle. And let's see. Let's open another one. We're going to save that last one to give away. Another briefcase and a monkey propeller. Oh, that's nice. Let's see. All right. Let's go give some of these monkeys away, guys. I have a bunch of these monkeys. I need to give them to somebody. Let's see. They're in here buying one, so... And we're going to give this premium box away to somebody. We'll do it last. Let's just go give some people some monkeys and try to make them happy and try to spread some joy. We always want to try to make others happy and do for others. You can't go wrong when you do something for somebody else. Let's see. We'll just give one to the first person we see out here. Uh-oh. We went back in the tent. Oh, we want to go out here. Let's just do this. I'll teleport to the gifts because I'm getting stuck in the door, guys. I can't get out. Oh, here's somebody. Look. Allie, do you want a monkey, Allie? Let's just give her a monkey. Let's give her a monkey. There you go, Allie. Yay, you have a monkey now. Oh, look, she's happy. I love to make people happy. Let's give away a few more of these monkeys. Let's see. A neon collector. Oh, let's give her a monkey. She might be trying to make a neon. We'll give her a monkey. I don't know where she went. This girl says I can't understand her. It's a different language. But let's give her a monkey anyway. There you go. There's your pet monkey. Yay. Alright, guys. Let's see. Who can we give this box to? They already have an albino monkey. Let's stand over here and we'll see. We'll turn our trades on, and whoever trades us first, we will trade this box to them. Hey, everyone. Okay. we'll see who comes to trade me. I don't have any animals out or anything, so they'll just have to come over here and click to trade me. And they will get the box. Oh, here's one. Alex came over here with her new monkey. Aww. Okay, let's give her a box. And we'll see. We'll play around and see if she opens it to see what's inside, guys. Oh, you don't have to give me anything. Got some toys. Look, she has a clown umbrella, too. Alright, guys. Let's see, where did she go? We were going to watch you open it. Where did you go with your box? Where are you? Oh, is that you? Oh, Allie, she's the one I gave the monkey to. Oh, she got a regular monkey. I was really hoping she'd get an albino monkey, but now she's got two monkeys, guys. Remember to spread the kindness and enjoy this new update and have fun.